It's your boy Cedric here. Welcome back to a special tech unboxing review where I unbox two of the 2021 iPad lineup, the 12.9-inch iPad Pro and the all-new iPad mini. Before we start this video, be sure to click like and subscribe. Here we have the iPad mini with a starting price of £479. This is the base model, which you get 64GB of storage. The iPad mini has various colors to choose from. My father opted for the color purple. Inside the box, the iPad mini is presented. And if we pull this tag, here we have the manual, the USB-C cable, and the 20-watt USB-C power adapter. The 12-watt USB power adapter charges the 19.3 watt-hour rechargeable lithium polymer battery, which lasts for 10 hours surfing through the web with Wi-Fi. If you happen to opt with the cellular version, using the mobile data for surfing through the web will last you for 9 hours. The iPad mini only weighs nearly 295 grams. We are greeted with iPad's iOS 15 software with a hello drawing animation to pay homage to the Macintosh. Apple decided to move the volume buttons at the top next to the all-new Touch ID lock button. In between the buttons, it shares the same design language as the iPad Pro in terms of where the speakers are located. Let's talk about Center Stage. It works in FaceTime video calls and makes use of the new wide lens when the tablet can zoom in and pan to keep you in the center of the frame. There is a new 12-megapixel camera on the back with a 29mm lens and autofocus. It can capture up to 4K videos with 60 frames per second. Save the best for last. This is the 2021 12.9-inch iPad Pro. This is the Wi-Fi plus cellular model, which is ideal for doing work anywhere in the world and supports eSIM. Presented with the iPad first, also if I lift the tab, that's good, and the documentation, and as expected, the USB-C cable and the 12-watt adapter. The manual talks about how the iPad Pro boasts its features and how it differs from the others. Features such as Face ID and some I will touch down later on. Since it is the cellular version, it comes with an ejector tool just like the iPhones. And Apple stickers. The 12.9-inch Liquid Retina XDR display has 264 pixels per inch with a 2D backlighting system for ProMotion technology and True Tone display. In terms of battery life, it gets a 40.88 watt-hour rechargeable lithium polymer battery, which allows you to use it for 10 hours on YouTube, Safari, and many more. But with mobile data on, you get 9 hours. The 12.9-inch iPad Pro consists of dual cameras, one for a wide 12-megapixel and a 10-megapixel ultra-wide camera. It can film 4K quality videos with cinematic video stabilization. Performance-wise, it is staggering for a slim, powerful tablet that can edit 4K videos. This 128GB model delivers 8GB of RAM with 16-core neural engine. But if you decide to pay extra for the 1TB or 2TB option, you get double the RAM. I'm excited to experience the 12.9-inch iPad Pro from using my 11-inch iPad Pro. To make it even more desirable, here's what it came with. To get the sense of an all-inclusive iPad Pro experience, the Magic Keyboard is worth it. It makes you see the iPad's full potential from a different perspective with the Magic Keyboard, exclusively for the 12.9-inch iPad Pro lineup. The Magic Keyboard has a floating cantilever design, allowing you to attach the iPad Pro magnetically and smoothly adjust it to the perfect viewing angle for you. This also has a smooth angle adjustability, delivers the perfect viewing angle. Folds into a case with a silicone exterior to provide a front and back protection for traveling with the iPad Pro. It features full-size backlit keys and a scissor mechanism with 1mm travel for quiet, responsive typing. A trackpad that opens up new ways to work with iPad OS. The Magic Keyboard has a USB-C port for charging iPad Pro and iPad Air, the 4th generation, freeing up the port on the iPad for other accessories.